Now the next topic is agronomic traits from biotechnology. So what all modifications, what all benefits that we have been getting in agriculture field from biotechnology we will see in this topic. So the first one will be herbicide tolerance. Our plant will be herbicide tolerance. Insect resistance. The plant can be developed which are resistant to insect. Disease resistance. So plants which are prone to various diseases, we can develop such plants that are disease resistant. Abiotic stresses like water, temperature, salt, metals, these all can be overcome by developing such crops that are tolerant to abiotic stress. Next, value added traits. For example, we can add oil, vitamins, minerals in our desired crop. Nutritional quality. So various nutrients we can increase in our crop like protein, fats, carbohydrates. These all nutrients we can increase the quality, we can add this nutritional value in our desired crop. Plant properties like shelf life of the plant can be increased, and we can also add various flavors and aromas in the desired plant. Fragrance can also be added in our crop. Allergen reduction. So here we have been able to remove the allergens through biotechnology. Allergen, that plant which may cause allergic, which might be allergic to some, so we can remove those allergens through biotechnology. Nitrogen fixation can be increased in plant through biotechnology also. The yield of the crop can be increased. Pharmaceutical products like vaccines and proteins can be obtained from agricultural crops. Now examples, they have given some examples like BT cotton or simply cotton we can obtain from biotechnology. Soybean, corn, canola, rice, all these products can be obtained from biotechnology. Rice, students, you must have heard about golden rice. So again it is a biotechnological product. Now overall benefit will be these products will cost less per acre since we will be able to increase its yield, more yield and less pollution. So instead of using chemical fertilizers, we can use biodegradable products in these crops that will be manufactured through the technology of biotechnology, and these crops will cost less and it will give us more yield.